Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Purnima. I'm an IELTS and PT trainer, and today's video is going to be very special for all the students who are preparing for their interview or who are already planning to give the interview for USA, UK, Canada, Australia, etc. The reason why I decided to make this video is that recently I have got so many comments from the students to clear their interview regarding USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, etc. So this video is for all the students, and first of all the best for your interview. And today the questions that I will discuss with you are repeatedly asked by the interview, and you have to do these questions before attending your interview. So guys, without wasting the time, let's start our video. So first type of questions that examiner or interviewer may ask you is about your personal introduction. Clear? For example, they can ask you what's your name, then you have to simply just say I'm Purnima or I'm this, whatever your name is. Don't need to say my name is this because it looks more informal, and you know that you should look more formal in interview. Clear? So you have to say I'm this and that. Finish. Where do you come from or where do you hail from? So you can simply say I hail from a small village or small town, small rural area, and that's named as this, which comes under district this. Clear? Then they can ask you about your date of birth. Then you simply can say that my date of birth is this and this. Clear? Next question is about the main question is about the sponsor. They can ask you the question about your sponsor. Sponsor means the person who will manage your all funds, etc. That person and that folk is called the sponsor. Clear? So the first question they can ask you is that who is sponsoring your trip or who is your sponsor. So in this question, and the answer of this question must be like that. You can simply say, as my father is the head of family, so he is sponsoring my trip. Apart from this, if you have taken education loan, then you have to mention this. You have to say, of course, as my father is the head of family, so he is sponsoring my trip. Apart from this, I have taken education loan of rupees 2 lakh or 10 lakh from this bank. And if you have not taken education loan, then you can simply say, as my father is the head of family, so he is sponsoring my trip. He will manage all my expenses, accommodation fees, etc. charges. Clear? Next, if you have taken education loan, then you have to remember the name of the bank, the branch of the bank, how much money have you taken as education loan from the bank. Clear? So these type of questions that are asked by your interview. Clear? Next question is, what's the annual income or annual salary of your sponsor? So you can say that the annual salary of my father is 15 lakh per annum or per year, and we belong to a well-to-do family. Next, they can ask you, what is the occupation of your sponsor? So in this question, you can say that my father is agriculturalist. Apart from this, we have 2 shops and we have some farmlands, etc. That's all. Clear? So this is the question, or these are the questions related to sponsor. Clear? Next question is about your course. Now the questions that are related to course are, as I'm going to discuss with you further, and the first question they can ask you is about what's your course name. So in this question you have to say my course name is this. For example, if I have applied for bachelor in engineering or master's in engineering, then I can say that I have applied for MS, or my course name is Masters in Mechanical Engineering, that is MS. Clear? Then they can ask you why you have chosen this course. So in this question you have to simply say that since my childhood I have a strong predilection for engineers or for businessmen, etc. Whatever your field is, you can say this. Since if I'm talking about me, then I can say that since this course is related to my previous study. Not only this, I have a strong predilection for engineering from my childhood or since my childhood. Clear? Next question they can ask you is that what are the majors of this course. So in this question you have to tell them the name of some of your major subjects that you are going to study in your upcoming course. Clear? You have to remember the name of the major subjects. Clear? For example, electronics, semiconductor devices, etc. Whatever the major subjects of your stream, you have to tell them. Plethora of subjects should be included and are included in this course, but my major subjects are this and that. Clear? Next, they can ask you what's the career outcome of your course. Then in this question, you can say you can simply say that after completing my course, this course has a widespread origin in all over the world or across the globe, and these days the demand of engineers or the demand of whatever field you are involved in, you can simply say that engineering field is increasing day by day, and there are a lot of industries that are related to this field, and that's why I chose this course. Not only this, after finishing this course I can get a job as an electronic engineer or as a businessman, etc. Clear? And so these are the questions related to your course. Next question they can ask you is about the university. This is the basic question. Clear? First question they can ask you is that what's the name of your university. Now in this question you can simply say that the name of my university is this, and the next question they can ask you about the university or about your educational institute or college is that how do you come to know about it. Then you can simply say that after finishing my last study, clear, after finishing my senior secondary, after completing my bachelor in arts or bachelor in engineering, whatever your last academic qualification, you have to mention that. And you can simply say that after completing my last study or my bachelor in arts, I decided to pursue my higher education in international universities, and for this I searched so many universities on the internet, but luckily I came across the website of my particular university. You have to tell the name of the university. For example, if the name of the university is Hertfordshire, then you can simply say that I came across the website of Hertfordshire and I opened the website link, and then I searched for my course, and I was mesmerized to see so many details of the course, fees, infrastructure, facilities that are provided by the university, and that's why I got fascinated towards it. And so from social media or from internet I got a knowledge about this university. Okay students, so these are all the major questions that are most repeatedly asked by the interviewer, or there are some certain questions. For example, sometime recently one of our students gave the interview and the question was asked to him is what steps in India have government taken regarding COVID-19. So you can simply say that in India regime or government authorities have implemented so many rules and regulations. For example, every person need to follow the social distancing, and also they have to wear mask, and if police see somebody without mask, then they punish the people and charge some fees, and I think it's a good way. And the best thing is that in India the recovery rate is very high, so the cases of coronavirus is decreasing at an alarming rate. The next question they can ask you is about the accommodation plan. What's your accommodation plan? One question I discussed already with you about the hotel, that you will stay in a hotel. So the same answer you can give in this question, that I will stay in a hotel. And then they can ask you, have you searched any online tools? So you can say that of course I have searched so many websites or so many tools on the website, and you have to remember one or two websites of your preferred country. Clear? You can search the Google and you can find easily 2 or 3 websites and the hotel's name, and you also know the amount and the price of that hotel. Clear? So these are the questions that are definitely asked by your interviewer to you. So all the best, and if you have any further inquiry regarding IELTS PT preparation or English speaking and any other topic you wanna know from me, then you can comment me easily. And if you like the video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye. Thank you.